Okay guys, so today's lot walk is going to be a little bit different. There's a lot of sold cars out here on the lot, and I'm just not even going to show them because we'll get a bunch of random calls about them. So I'm going to go around, pick out the ones that are available. I'll even pop the hoods in this episode and kind of let you check them out. Hope y'all are having a good time, and happy Memorial Day. So first on the list is a 1988 GTA Trans Am. I did the test drive videos already. They'll be coming out soon. This is a pretty sweet looking ride. We've got it for $12,900 up here at Maple Motors. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We are a family-owned business and been around for 38 years. We'll go ahead and pop the hood on this one, let you check it out. Does have the 5.0 under the hood. It's a pretty sweet car, especially at a $12,900 price range. Let's go on to the next car here. Up next is a 1966 Buick Skylark. This one's $16,900. It does run and drive good. It's got the Wildcat 310 under the hood. And of course, those test drive videos are all ready. I'm pretty sure I've got everything done this week, so I can go ahead and post them for you pretty quickly. I don't remember if I left it unlocked. I did. It's even got tinted windows on this one. And I tell you what, she rides like a Buick. Next up on the list is a 1967 Buick Skylark. This one we've got listed for $18,900. It's a very nice car with a 455 under the hood. It also has the AC compressor hooked up. I don't believe the AC actually works. It may need to be recharged, but it is all there. This one's got disc brakes in the front. I'm telling you, this is a pretty sweet ride, especially another Buick here. Going to the next ride. Next up on the list is a 1974 Plymouth Satellite. We got this one for $19,900. Haven't decoded the motor on this one yet. Does have the aluminum radiator. There's a lot of engine in this one though. Pretty sweet looking car. It's also got the pistol grip. Pretty good. All right, let's head on over to the next ride. I'll go ahead and shut this hood. It's also got some hood pins there, and I love the way that looks. We'll get one of them sit down in there. We've also got a 1966 Impala here for $27,900. This one's got a 396 under the hood. Looks like the AC compressor's there. I can't remember exactly if it works or not, but you can check out the video. There's a detailed driver video, walk around. Just look up 1966 Impala right here on YouTube. You can also check out detailed pictures at our website, maplemotors.com. I believe this one's locked up, so you can check all that out, and we'll get you hooked up with all the information you need to know about this ride. Next up on the list is a 1972 Monte Carlo. This one has a believed to be 350 under the hood. Does have the AC compressor under here as well. Makes things nice and cool. Coming down with the hood. Shuts pretty easy. Test drive video's coming out here in a little bit, so be sure to be looking for it. Again, if you see anything in the background, do not call on it. That's why I'm doing individual car videos here right now and not walking around the whole car lot. Right next to that, we have a 1968 El Camino, worth checking out. I believe this was a 350 under the hood. I can't remember exactly in the video. I do individual videos for all these cars, but I do them every day, and I'm always decoding motors. So I have to reference my own videos to remember exactly on some of these cars. But definitely check it out. All you have to do is type in 1968 El Camino Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You can see the test drive and the walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws on the body, interior, and underneath. Pretty sweet little El Camino though. I know I'm liking it. We also got this one listed at $17,900. And of course, next up on the list is a 1966 Corvette. This one here's got a 283 under the hood. It's also got the side pipes. And that top comes off. Set it in your garage. Hit the road. They did a custom front end on this one as well. Go ahead and lay down this hood. You just lift it up, comes back down, shuts. Right next to that one for $23,900 is a 1971 Camaro. This one's got a custom set of wheels, American racing, disc brakes, lots and lots of new parts, new bumpers. Under the hood's nice and clean. It is an inline 6-cylinder with cold AC, a good reliable driver. You can see on the interior here, it's pretty much all redone. We're getting ready to check it out. Let's look inside here. You see fairly new seats, console's been redone, the dash is nice and clean, back seat looks good, package tray's nice, headliner is very clean. $23,900. Pretty cool little ride here. It's a 1940 Ford Coupe, $24,900. And check this out, I left the hood down on purpose. You could unlock it like that and lift it up. I love that for some reason. It's just really cool to me. It was believed to be $350 under the hood on this one. It's got cold AC. The video will be out soon. I've already made it. I mean, just look around this ride. You don't see too many out on the road like that. It's got a brand new Holley carb under there. And then the interior in this thing is awesome. Guess what? Oh, I don't have the keys. Almost gave that one away, didn't I? If you play some bets on that later watching the video, you'll know then, right? Yeah, when you come down with this hood, get her all the way down and it locks up like that. Sweet. Let's keep moving around. Here's another one sitting here. This is a 1966 Impala Convertible. It's a beautiful car with a 327 under the hood. It's got the power steering setup. Look how clean the engine bay is. It's gonna be a sweet ride. And we got it priced at $27,900. It's huge. So much I'm having to back up to get it in the picture here. Interior is locked up, but we'll peek in the window here. Just kind of check it out. And yes, this video is available and ready to be watched. We've got another one sitting here. This is a 1967 Impala Convertible for $29,900. Really nice up under the hood, nice and clean. Lots of space. And it's not all greasy, it's shiny. Another big boy car. Wonder if it's unlocked. We'll peek in it. Nope. Let's look in the window here. Lots of reflection. Pretty sweet ride. Let's go ahead and walk around the lot one more time, and we'll conclude this video, guys. There's also a 2009 Tahoe. It's not here at the moment. I'm putting it up for sale. It's my wife's. Letting her drive it until we sell it. But it's available at maplemotors.com. And I believe we have 14 rides available as of today. We have a short week this week, so we're only going to put 7 on. And we'll have plenty coming to you next week. All right. For $12,900. 1988 Trans Am GT8 for $16,900. A 1966 Buick Skylark for $18,900. A 1967 Buick Skylark for $19,900. We got a 1974 Plymouth Satellite. At $27,900, we got a 1966 Impala. For $17,900, we have a 1972 Monte Carlo. Again, $17,900, a 1968 El Camino. For $34,900, we have a 1966 Corvette. For $23,900, we have a 1971 Camaro. For $24,900, we have a 1940 Ford Coupe. For $27,900, we have a 1966 Impala Convertible. For $29,900, we have a 1967 Impala Convertible. Hey, don't forget about Pops' Hot Wheels channel. Go on over to Jim Fight's Hot Wheels collection. You can check it out here on YouTube. Or if you come into Maple Motors, you can ask Pops himself to check out his Hot Wheels room. He's got all kinds of stuff. He's been collecting this stuff for years, guys. If you're into this, I definitely recommend checking it out. He's got pretty much everything you can think of. He's into the little toys as well as the big ones. All right, guys, I do hope you enjoyed this week's video. It was the best way that I could figure out how to do it. Next week will be a little bit different. We'll post, the normal amount, 10 to 15 cars, and we'll get you hooked up. Just give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll help you out. And if you don't mind, go check out my band page, Southgate Production. All the music on the channel that you've been hearing, that's me and my band. So it's worth checking out. We've been practicing a lot, and we're getting ready to start doing live videos on Southgate Production channel. So don't forget, Jim Fights Hot Wheels and Southgate Production here on YouTube. This is Pat, guys. I'm going to show everybody that's working here. We're all family. That's Pat Kane. You can talk to him if any of you bought a car from him. Say, what's up, Pat?
Don't be mad.
Don't be mad. This is Pops. What's going on, Pops? You ready to go eat?
I'm ready to go eat.
He says 5 o'clock, we're closing down. There's Jeff. If you ever talk to Jeff, he's going on here. No matter what he says. Where's Jim? Did he leave? This is our office.
Up, I think.
This is where it all goes down. Here's my little desk. Yeah, I figured I'd show you around a little bit. Found him back here hanging out. That's my dad. That's the family. Jason's off today. This is the last week that we are going to be working on Saturdays. We're closing from now on Saturdays. We're going to be working Monday through Friday, 10 to 5. And I'll be having these videos coming out to you almost every day. So hit subscribe. Also comment below any ideas that you have on these videos. Let me know. I'll consider them for sure. I mean, I've taken a lot of videos and made them a lot better because of y'all. I want to thank you for that. Be sure to hit subscribe, share, and hit like. That helps us out quite a bit. And I'll see you next week, guys. We'll try to do a normal walk. Hopefully you like this one. If you did, let me know. I'd like to hear it. Happy Memorial Day, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.